Hello students and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all fine. Well, in today's video we are going to learn sky letter, root letters and grass letters. Well, first of all, we have A to Z alphabets, right? We have alphabet family in which we have A to Z letters. The total number of letters are 26, in which some fits in first three lines, some fits in mid two lines, and some fits last three lines, right? So let's discuss first of all what is sky letters. Sky letters are those letters that goes up to first three lines, right? Sky letters are those letters that goes up to first three lines. It means the letters that fits in first three lines are called sky letters. Alright, I'll write sky letter here. First of all, we have B, as it fits in first three line, right? Second, we have D, as it also fits in first three line. After D we have F, H, L. Sorry, before L we have K. K is also a sky letter. After K we have L, and last one is T. Alright, these are called sky letters because it fits in first three lines. The total number of sky letters are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? There are 7 sky letters in English alphabets. Now we will learn what is grass letters, right? Grass letter fits in mid two lines. As I discussed before, sky letters are those letters that goes up to first three lines, right? And grass letter are those letters that fits in between two lines, right? These two lines, right? Now I will write the grass letter here. First of all is A. As you can see, it fits in between two lines or in mid two lines. After A we have C, E, I, M, right? A, C, E, I, M. It fits in between two lines. Next we have N, O, R, S, U, and after U we have V, W, X, and Z. These are our grass letter. Why? Because it fits in between two lines, and grass letter fits in between two lines. Now we are going to learn what is root letters. Root letters are those letters that goes down up to last three line. Root letters are those letters that fits in last three lines. These last three lines, right? Now I will write the root letter here. We have total 5 roots letter in our English alphabets. First of all is G. Second one J, as it fits in last three lines. After J we have P here. After P we have Q, and last one we have Y. G, J, P, Q, and Y. These are our root letters as it fits in last three lines. Hope you liked my video and learned something new. Keep supporting. Bye bye.